channel again. This is Bien Lovelocks. I love to talk about lifestyle, fashion, and of course luxury. And if you like this kind of content, please do consider hit the red subscribe button and of course smash the notification bell so you're gonna be the first one to know every time I'm posting a new video. And in today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing of my Chanel classic flap. I'm not telling you what size it is, stay tuned so that you will find out what is inside this. Have like the care booklet over here and everything that you need. So and then here we can sneak in one. So it's like, as you can see guys, the dust bag is in classic. So it's a classic handbag guys. So what guess, comment down below what color and what size do you guess with this handbag. So this is really a classic one guys, and the color is quite hard to find. So the moment I saw this handbag, even though I don't have any plan to buy a Chanel handbag, when I saw this color guys, I said there's no way I'm gonna let go this handbag, because I've been eyeing for this one, and I actually put this one in my luxury wish list for 2021, and finally I had hands on with this handbag. So without further ado, again I talk a lot, so let's open it together. You already have, oh, I was really so afraid that this handbag is different color. Oh, but as you can see, wow. Actually guys, in the store, this handbag looks very pale, and here in reality it looks perfect. The color is so perfect guys. I'm really afraid, I was thinking earlier, oh, I want to unbox this Chanel, because I'm so scared if the color, because in the store it looks very pale, very light. So in reality guys, in a real sun, it's a perfect beige guys. So yeah, this is my Chanel classic flap in beige. So let's take out everything guys, all the actually the felt looks so different. I really don't like the felt now. Actually the other felt is way better. This one is a little bit rough. It's more like cottony. I really don't like. So let's just take it out. So this is my Chanel small classic double flap in beige color, and of course in gold champagne hardware, and in calfskin leather. Oh my god guys, this is so adorable. It's so cute. So I really want to see up close the handbag guys. I want to see every inch of the handbag, because in the store they have a weird lighting there. So I'm not really sure if I like the handbag. So it's in calfskin leather, so it's a little bit sensitive guys, and since it's beige, it's light beige, it's really light. So I need to be sure that this handbag is in pristine condition, because sometimes I watch a lot of YouTube videos that the summer collection for 2021 is a little bit crappy craftsmanship. So I want to make sure that this handbag is in pristine condition guys, because I don't want to invest, as we all know that a classic double flap is really expensive from Chanel. So I want to make sure that all it's in perfect condition, or in pristine condition. I don't have any damage about the handbag. So I want to investigate each piece of this handbag guys. So yes, so far the hardware, I don't have any problem with the hardware, but the leather of the calfskin guys, it looks a little bit cheapish, to be honest, compared to, I have the mini flap guys, and it's also in calfskin leather. That's why I said I'm not scared of calfskin leather. But since this one is a little bit light color, so everything you can see, I want to show you up close the handbag guys. Look at this, it's very soft, and the champagne hardware, it has still the sticker. So I don't want to take out the sticker yet. You can see, I want to do it up close. The stitching guys, is it normal that there's look at this, I want to take a picture and then I will include it here. The stitching, when they put the needle, it's a little bit big. That's why it breaks a little bit the leather. And yeah, that is the one I really see as a problem. Yeah, but I don't know. Just comment down below guys. Please help me to to check this handbag, guys. If is it normal to have this kind of problem? Just it's all the same, and yeah, everything is good. The strap is good. I did not see any problem. They said that there are some, like from the 21 collection, that it's crooked. Mine is no problem at all. Yeah, it's all okay. And then, like, you know, it's when you open this one, the CC here, yeah, no problem. I cannot see any problem. So the zipper is okay. And by the way, like, you know, it's so stupid if you put a zipper there and it's not functional at all. What is the purpose of that zipper anyway? And then here you have like another opening here. It's quite narrow actually, because, like, you know, I'm used of my medium classic flap, which is, like, you know, slightly bigger. I don't think I want to put something else there aside from like a paper or something like that, or like a money, because it will stretch out, and then like the stitching there, it will destroy the bag. And then yeah, no problem at all, no dentation. And here as well, so it's Chanel made in France, which I like. And then like here, let's investigate together, guys. So this is like, you know, like unboxing at the same time. Let's investigate the bag together. So this one, guys, is still like, I also so keen to get one, because, like, you know, they said that they will change the to like a metal microchip. So, like, you know, this is maybe, like, you know, the last chance that I gonna get, because the next collection that it's coming out, like, you know, Chanel will change the card into like a metal chip. So, like, you know, if you want like further details about this changing of the authenticity card to a metal chip, like, you know, my friend always Antoinette, she have like a proper review and a proper a story about this changing of this authenticity card. So please check out her channel, please, because, like, you know, she have a really nice review and a really nice explanation about this changing. And then, like, here you still have the date code over there. It's a series 31, guys. It means it in 2021, so it's very, very new. We all know that Chanel handbags are very, very expensive, guys, very, very pricey, and every year they increase their price at least two times a year. So before, I cannot afford this handbag, guys, like, you know, I want to grab this handbag, and I promised myself, like, you know, if I have the beige handbag, you know, I promised myself to get it right away, because, like, I don't want to you know, like, pass that opportunity, guys. So actually, this handbag is more like an investment handbag. So it's just like, you know, just think that you're just withdrawing your money from the bank, and then you're just putting it in the table and you're watching that money. So it's the same purpose for this handbag, guys. So I just want to buy this handbag and just put it in my closet, and I just like look at it. And of course, sometimes I will enjoy it if, like, you know, I will know that I will go to a safe place, and, like, you know, I will know that I don't need to baby this handbag, you know, like that this bag is safe to like from dirt or like any damages. So I'm gonna use this handbag as well. And I really take care of my handbag. I really love my handbag, and I care for them. So, like, you know, I really know that this handbag gonna be in pristine condition all the time. So it's like, yeah, so this is like an investment handbag as well. So yeah, and then, like, if I don't want to sell this handbag, this is also I consider this handbag as an inheritance handbag. This is something that I can pass on to my daughter or my daughter-in-law or even my grandchildren. I want to curate my handbag, like, you know, all my old Chanel handbag, I want to resell them, I want to sell them. So, like, you know, in my next vlog, guys, so maybe I'm gonna do a sale vlog. So, like, you know, watch out for that. So, like, I also told myself, like, you know, if I want to buy one handbag, I need to let go one of the handbag at least. So yeah, I will do a vlog sale very soon. Just take the opportunity, the availability of the handbag as well, like, you know, it's my birthday. So yeah, so this is like my remembrance for my 41st birthday. By the way, like, you know, let's find out what can fit in this handbag. So I always do that, like, you know, what can fit in my handbag. So first of all, I have here my Dior small wallet, so it can stand up like that. And of course, like, you know, if for example, like, I have a small iPhone, but this one is a big iPhone because I'm using my small iPhone, so I think I'm gonna put it in here in the front. It fits perfectly, guys. And of course, I can have my key clay perfectly here. And I think my I don't want to do my car key, guys. I'll do, for example, my hand sanitizer, or yeah, can stand up properly, so it's quite safe over there. Of course, like tissue, wet tissue can perfectly fit as well. So that's it, guys. So maybe like my key, my car key, I just put it on the side. So it's fit perfectly, guys. So yeah, even it's small, it's like, you know, it fits my necessity. So I don't need much actually. So this is just perfect. So yeah, it's perfect size. I really love the size, and because like, you know, it's perfect for my body frame, and the color is perfect. Guys, and thank you so much for the support. For those who haven't subscribed yet, as a birthday present, please do subscribe into my channel, and of course hit the notification bell, and of course leave a comment and like and share this one to your friends. And have a luxury, everyone, until the next video. Bye.